अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातहू। आवाज सही आ रही है?
जी आ रहे सर। कैसे आप सब? तबीयत से ठीक है?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बेहतरीन, सब बेहतरीन माशाल्लाह। आप फ्रेशर हो या आप है एक्सपीरियंस?
जी सर, मैं 1.5 साल तकरीबन एक्सपीरियंस है मेरा एज अ टेक्निकल सपोर्ट इंजीनियर।
इधर
सर
कौन सी
पहले मैं
कंपनी?
नोक्स में सर पहले मैं नोक्स में था, इस्लामाबाद में। और अभी मैं सोलेक्स में हूँ एज अ टेक्निकल कंसल्टेंट। मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी है सर।
अच्छा, सोलेक्स।
जी
हाँ हाँ,
जी
सोलेक्स का है, इन्वर्टर मैन्युफैक्चर का है। तो सोलेक्स का।
जी
अरे बेहतरीन हो गया।
जी।
आपने असाइनमेंट वर्क वर्क किया था?
नहीं सर, मैंने रब्ता किया था अपने जो हमारे इंस्टॉलर है, लेकिन मुझे कोई खास मिला नहीं है बड़े लेवल पे।
हम्म, ठीक, ठीक। हम कोई जर्नल ही बना लेते हैं।
सही सही।
मेन फोकस जो है ना, वो चीजें जो है ना, वो यही है ना कि हमने स्ट्रक्चर बनाना है ना, तो हम
जी
कोई भी
कोई
बना
सर,
लेते हैं।
कोई एलिवेटेड बनाया आज? कौन सा बनाएंगे सर, या ग्राउंड माउंटेड बनाएंगे?
वो अभी तो उसको कंप्लीट करना है ना, डॉम्स, और उसको कंप्लीट करना है।
ठीक है ठीक है।
कोशिश तो यही है कि आज ग्राउंड माउंटेन का भी बताऊं ना, कि
सही।
कुछ चीजें कवर हो।
जी सर, आप वो
मेन
जो
चीज
कर
वो
रहे थे,
ये हाँ हाँ।
जिसमें जिसमें आप गार्डर वो कर रहे थे, गार्डर किस तरह बनाते हैं, वो जो एलिवेटेड स्ट्रक्चर आप बना रहे थे, मैंने देखा था कि लिंक्डइन पर।
मेन जो चीज है ना, वो से गाइस।
वालेकुम सलाम।
हाय मिस्टर सेन बोल रहा। Guys, so I'm just asking you, Mr. Khurram, Mr. Singh, have you set the structure detail or not? Can you hear me, Mr. Khurram? Mr. Singh bola.
Yes, I hear you.
Have you collected any data?
Yes, I have one data on my site for ground mounted structure.
Okay, okay, you have ground mounted. Okay. So I think we will make a P2 type structure for the domes, and we have made the two structure for the roof mounted structures. So we just made a like a simple one, which we are already using. So I'm just sharing my screen. Yes, yes. So I'm sharing my screen. So we will pursue our lecture. So this class, this was we have made yesterday. We made this layout for the roof mounted and fit with the dome structures. So today our work is that we will made the structure for these solar panels, and then we made try to, if we have time, we will make for the ground mounted structures because tomorrow the last lecture. If you right now you can ask me in the chat box, so in the class, in the groups. So most of the things I have just one point remaining in the uh, like this scaling installation, and I will make tomorrow or share with all. These are also the free one, and I will share with all of you to install that one. Because it is really helpful for the ground mounted structures to make the fence around the ground mounted structures, and also these other uh, some basically this is the extension where when
सर
you
आपकी आवाज में काफी डिस्टॉर्शन है.
click on that option extension, the, uh, this is the extension warehouse. When you click on that, if you have the like sorry,
सर आपकी आवाज
what are you
क्लियर
saying,
नहीं
brother?
है. काफी your voice is not clear. So much distortion.
Basically, yes, Ismail, is it okay?
Yeah. Okay now.
Okay. Okay. Basically, on my side, there my basically the basically on my side, the internet have some issue. That's why I'm running my own mobile data. That is why something like creating the issue. So I'm just sharing my screen. Can you see the screen? Guys, response me. Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir. We
Guys, you can see the screen.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I'm just saying that we have to the structure of the these buildings uh, for the mount solar mounting. From I am just telling about these. It is the fence maker extension. Uh, you will search from the Google's. Mostly you have find that fence uh, maker extension which is free. You can install in the SketchUp and use them for the fence making. And also you can just click on that. This one is the extension, and this is the extension warehouse. Extension warehouse. When you click on that option, hearing me properly?
नहीं सर, आपकी आवाज में काफी डिस्टॉर्शन आ रही है बार बार।
मैं एक दफा इंटरनेट को
जी हुरम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
हम सब कैसे हो, तभी से ठीक है?
सर बेहतरीन, आपकी दुआओं से अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
सर चले गए मेरे ख्याल में।
हाँ, मुझे लगता है
लीव
दोबारा
कर
लिंक
दिया।
का मिलेगा।
अच्छा यार, सर की आवाज में काफी डिस्टोर्शन आ रही, कल भी आ रही थी, बिल्कुल समझ नहीं आ रही थी।
कल तो सारा दिन बिल्कुल आप सही कह रहे हैं, कल ऐसे ही गुजरा सारा। आज भी ऐसे ही ना तो स्क्रीन शेयर हुई है भी।
जी
देखते हैं यहाँ तो फिर लीव करके दोबारा रीज्वाइन करते हैं।
जी सर भी आ गया।
आगे।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम सलाम।
आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है अब सही तरह से?
हाँ, क्लियर है, बेहतर।
बेहतर है। चले, ठीक हो गया। स्टार्ट हो रही है। Okay, नाम Can you see the screen now?
प्लीज शेयर द स्क्रीन।
Brother, मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
जी जी, आवाज आ रही,
स्क्रीन
स्क्रीन।
बस कर रहा है क्रिएट ना, वो स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं हो रही मेरा ख्याल है। स्क्रीन नजर आए तो मुझे बताइएगा।
आपका मेरे ख्याल में नेट चल।
स्क्रीन नहीं शेयर हो रही है स्क्रीन बताइए, हो रही है?
या लिंक, या लिंक दोबारा भेज दे। लिंक रीजॉइन कर लेते, शायद फिर इसमें स्क्रीन शेयर हो जाए।
Hi guys, can you hear me now properly?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
That's great. Okay. Okay, I'm just sharing my screen again and see what the response. Now tell me, the screen is visible now. Sir Mudassir, the screen is visible.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
What
Visible.
is the reason? Yeah. How?
Still not visible, sir.
What are the reason? Yeah.
सर अभी visible है.
Visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great. Okay, that's great. So I'm saying that we have different extension installed in the SketchUp software for the easiness, like the this one, the Scallion extension, and also this which you are showing to your screen. This is the fence making from this one. This one is the fence making. Basically, it is called the fence maker, and it is used to make the fence around the ground mounted systems. So you should go there, extension warehouse. When you click on that, it will visible the extension warehouse. When you click on that, this will window pop up. So in the warehouse, you can search any extension, or you can go to the Google. Most of the extensions available there. So when I search the fence maker, uh, so I think anything related to the fence. Like here is the profile builders. This one is the free. But when we check that fence maker, basically I will send all of you in the group some extension there. But you should also check from the Google. It will be available there. Most of the like the this one, the Scallion, the fence maker. Uh, so you should search from the Google, and you will find the easy extension for their use. Like I have made this like the piping for the extensions, this one, and there are the different extensions available there. So mesh like angle. When you click on that, you can check that anything will be happening. So there are the multiple extension there. You just go to the Googles, or you just go to the extension warehouse. You will search and find the relevant extension and install them. When you install them, you will try to use them. If you find any issue, you can contact me on the WhatsApp. I will give you the answer. Just you should make a short video of the extension. If anyone new extension and I don't aware of that, I will just answer you that you should set from the Google, because I don't know about that. But if I have the knowledge about that, I will inform you or give you the overview of that. So I think I just click on that options and they just close the program. We have to. So, so today we are making the ground mounted and the roof mounted structure detail. So first of all, uh, we have. So first of all, we have to make the like the channel, C-type channel. So for that, we will just make a basically most of the C channel will be used. This one will be 3 inches by 1.5 inches, and 1.6 is the thickness. So I'm just making the C channel just 3 inches and 1.5 inches. Just one box there, 3 inches, and just make them. So you have just make this is the uh, C-type channel. Now what will you do? You have to give the thickness to the C-type channel. You just click on that and give them 1.6 mm. Basically, the SketchUp has this option that when you are mentioning any unit, you just click and mention the unit. Like 1.6, you can just mention mm. This will take into the mm. And when you want to put in the inches, you just click to shift plus this inches of like symbol. They will take into the inches. So it's up to you. You just make them as a any option. So I'm giving them the thickness of the 1.6 mm. So I have just made them. Now what I will do, I will just make them close them this option, because I have to delete the other portion. Just use the eraser command, eraser tool bar, and just drag this one. Now you can see that we have made a C channel like this one, and we will give them the height. Now the height will be around like 500 mm, around 500 the front height height. So I'm just giving the 500 height, and I just click on that option and make them component. Basically, when I am making this is as a component, uh, it is very easy for me to use and to edit them. So I just give mark them as a leg one, front leg. Sorry, front leg. I just click on that. So here, when I click on that, I will. You can see that this is the and I just want to make a tag for that. So here is the tag one. I'm just uh, adding the tags from that one. Yes. I have made this C channel. Now I will just copy this one, and I want to make them as a back leg. Sorry, the back leg. So what I will do, I just make as a unique. You can see that make as a unique component, because if I make as a same component like front leg and back leg, when I will increase the back leg height, they will automatically increase the height of the front leg. So we have to make them as a different component. So I have made them, and here you can see that the definition, the front leg, I will change it to the back leg. Back leg. So that is why I have changed that option. So these are the two legs I have prepared. Now what I will do, I will just do to prepare the rafter of the basically the rafter and the purlin are the same, the C channel, mostly used in the roof mounted and the ground mounted systems. These all the things are the C channel, but for the high rise structures, mostly which are used on the rooftop, we have to use the legs, the vertical beams. These are the H beams, and the purlin. Sorry, the rafter also the H beams, and the purlins are the C channels. Basically the purlin, uh, which on which we mount the PV modules. These called the purlin, and the rafter will be the supporting to the at the 90 degree to the purlin, which is basically when the purlin are in the vertical, the rafter are in the horizontal spacing, and when the rafters are in the vertical, purlin are in the horizontal span. They are perpendicular to each other, and the vertical legs, basically they are the C channels, are legs are the piles. Different wording are used for that. So we now make the C channel as a purlin. Just for the best option, you just click on the move uh, options and just press the control. Just press the control. They will copy the same options. Now, what I will do, I will just do this as a unique component, and I will change the name to the rafter. And the same one, I will copy, just copy and make them the unique one and name as a purlin. Purlin. So now I will make one block, civil block, which is called 1 by 1 feet by 1 feet, around 1 feet by 1 feet. This is basically the estimated values, which is mostly used. So I'm just clicking this one as a 1 feet. So I have made that as a civil block and make as a component, make component civil block. Just click on that. Now I will make the uh, like the base plate. So what I will do, it is around 8 mm by, I think, around, I think 8 mm, 8 mm, or we make it as a 6 inches into 3 inches. Oh, 4 inches. We will make as a 4 inches. And this is called, and they have the like 3 mm thickness. Oh, sorry. 3 mm thickness. This is called the base plate. Base plate. Oh, what I will do, I just click on that and copy, move that uh, base plate to this one. You can see that on the face when we placing the same any other on the buildings are that they will just, now what I will do, I will give them the different coloring. So for the stones I have made this one, and for this basically the roofing is the like the metal one, and I will give them as a this one, the color, this one. And these are basically the rafter one, like this type of the C channels, C and C. So I have just given them colors for the identification. So what I will do, I just move them. When you just move them in the center, so it is around this one. So now I will make them as a front leg. Just in the center. Here is around. Here is around center. So this is basically the, the center leg. Now we have to just copy this one overall, and we have to make as a one uh, copy for the back legs. Just move command and press this one, this uh, control. Now we will, what will we do? Just delete them, and we will use this basically this rafter, this back leg. What I will do, I just copy, move there. So I'm just aligning that options. Now you can see that they are almost aligned with each other. No, they are basically, what is the issue? Why they are not aligned? I'm just copy this one. If you have to select the multiple options, you just click and press the control. Press the control. You can see that they have the plus options. You just clicking the different options. They give us the different clicking. Just control press and then move command. Now, what I will do, just align these. So here I will just how they are aligned with each other. Okay. Now I will just move to the center. Now it is center. Now I'm just copy and paste. Okay. Now they are aligned with each other. Now we will make the height of this on the higher side. What will we do? We just give them the height. Double click on that because this is a component. It is component. You have to just double click that. Double click. We will go inside. Now what will we do? We just go to the push pull command and press them height. Give them the height. Now what I will do? We make them as a around this one is the around 3 meter, 2.5 meter. We will give the height around this one. So now we will give them the rafter. Okay, we will make a rafter. This is basically the rafter. We move just go to the put that and press that one. And now we will move that into rotate them. Rotate them. Now what we will do? We just click on the center line and press that and give them the 15-degree angle. Sorry, around 105. 105. This one option. Because our PV module is installed at the 50-degree tilt. We just go to that and to push pull that. Now what we will do? Now you can see that they have this option. Now what we will do? Just this one. Okay. And same like that. We just copy this one, press this option. Oh, sorry. this one. Now you can see that. Now what will I do? Now I will just decrease the height of this structure. How you see that? I have decreased this height. Now I'm just going to that and copy this one option, because I have to check whether is it okay, or we have to just uh, decrease that one. Around this one. Okay, that is great. Okay. Now we have to make the purlin. What we have to do? We have to make the purlin. Now we will make rotate them as in this direction, 90-degree, and we just move and also move to the 90-degree. We have to check this one because when I will open one data sheet, right? I will show you something. Yes, you can see that they have just given that the mounting holes. You can see that they have just mentioned that these are the mounting holes. They have given us the option, the mounting hole in between the 1400 mm distance, and this one is the uh, 790 mm. So we have to make the rafter at that location. Sorry, the purlin at that location. So our purlin is around these locations. So here we are just giving the tentative locations, but when you are doing the actual layouts, you have to just check these options and rotate as per the location of the mounting hole. Now the SketchUp will give you the moving at as the path. Like we have the tilted path. You just move on the cursor here. They will move the object in that angle, not the straight one. They move the object in that location, in that way, like in the tilted angle. So I have just click on that and move these location. You can you can see that they have moved in that same angle. You can see that. Now what I will do, I just move this one, uh, right click and push pull that one. We have created this rafter. Now I will just click this one and copy that one. Same one. I have just mentioned 1400 mm and same one. Now I will just copy same one and move that. This is around here. So this is the structure is ready. Now what I will do, I just go there, copy the structure here. Include them, apply them, sorry, to unhold the now I just move see that I have just moving these options. Now I am just giving now you can see that we have make that structure. Okay. Now it's up to the contractor or the vendor of the structure. Now they will tell us how many they have given us these footings. Now it is as per the preliminary I have made that. Now what I will do, I just copy this one, copy. You just copy this one, make them as a component or just block them to make the rotate in the same. Just I have make them as a group. Now I will just copy. Now what I will, one thing I am just giving you the easiness. You have just click on that to move, press control. Okay. Same location from where you have put that, just click on that. Now they will move. Now you want to make them same pattern. You just press the this multiplying option, multiplying star, and giving them the 5, 6, which number you want to give them. Just press them and press the enter. Now what you can see that they will put that in the same options. You can see that. Okay. What you have to do, just uh, click the object, press the move command, select the location from where you are putting them and where you have to give them. What the distance, specific distance. Like I have just, this is the reference point, and I put that option here. Click on that and just press the multiplying star and give the number, and they give us the multiplying how many number. Now I'm just increasing this per lane. What I will do, I just click on that. Okay. Just move up for the easiness, like 50 meter. I have just moved up 50 meter. Now I will increase or push pull these purlin. Now you can see that they are the same component. When I drag one down, they will just increase the overall length of the whole purlin. You can see that. Okay. Now what I will do, I just move the upper portion to the down portion like. And same pattern which I have used to rotate down 50 meter, and this will be placed on that. Now you can see that they are placing the full structure with it. When you are now this structure will be used for the ground mounted also, for the roof mounted. Mostly when you are doing the roof mounted ground mounted system, you are not doing this like the civil pad work. Mostly where the large scale project we are using, we use the direct piling. Basically, direct piling is that we just hammer the piles in the ground, not to use the civil civil foundations. We just ramp them in the these are the H beam structures. So here I have make this structure. Now what I will do, I just make them a copy. This structure also used for the ground mounted, for the roof mounted, and for this same one will be used for the this like you say that the dome structure. So I'm just giving you the overview how we will make this structure. First of all, you get the proper information from the vendor. What are the size of the C channel for which is used for the leg, for the rafter, for the purlin. Now I have give you the overview. What is the purlin? Basically, this is the rafter. When I mark them as a indicator, where is it? Basically, this is basically the rafter. Now you can see that I have marked them. Basically, when I give the name, they just put them as a rafter. And this one, this one, this one is a purlin. You can see that. Okay, and this one is the front line. Now they will automatically get the name from their their component name. Basically, I've given the proper naming. Now I have just 2 to 3 days ago, I just give you the overview of the tagging. Now I have just make the like taggings options, name them. Here, when I select that option is the untag options. Now, so for when you are making the videos, like you can now create a scenes. Basically, scenes the SketchUp has given us the scenes option. You can see that this is the scene option. Now you just move that option and add them, and one by one you just go to the SketchUp and do the scene, and then at the end you will export options there. Here you can see that export option, and you just go to the animations. They will export the video animations. So the purpose of this tagging is that now I will make them one tag, like I uh, like added them. Now I will make the front leg, like when I say that front leg. This is the front leg tag. Now what I will do, I will just click on that and go to the tags options there. Basically, I think they have something issue on that. They have some patient time. Right. Name, access. I think there is some issue in that when we make a tags. This one. Sorry. Now front leg. Now I just give them the color. Okay. Now what I will do, I just click on that option and give them here. You can see that this is the front leg option here. Now when I click on that option, you can see that they just remove that one from that. Now when you are making the videos, you will just all the component like the civil, the base plate. Now you mark them as a base plate, the civil pad. When you are making the video like the scenes, you just one by one to this one, the eyes option, the eyes icon there. You just click that and they will like uh, hide hide them. So what is the purpose of this tagging? To make the video, you just one by one in the tags option, click them when you are making the video. First of all, you will unhide this block, then you will base plate, then you will front leg, then will back leg, then rafter, then purling, then PV module. You want to make the proper something like that video to show the client how we will install our solar structures there. So the purpose of this structuring to show you that how we will make the proper structure of the buildings. Now it is your assignment. Now it is your proper assignment that I will give you the proper formation of that structuring. You have everyone to do the proper structuring and to make one small like 10 kilowatt, 20 kilowatts. It's up to you. No issue. But you have to make one buildings there, install the solar panels. If you don't have this scaling option, you don't have scaling option, you just go there, this one, the window option, the window options, and the 3D warehouse is available. 3D warehouse. You just click the 3D warehouse and search. Manual option is there also. If you don't have the scaling option, you just click on that PV modules. PV modules, search that. In warehouse, you can different things you can download. You can download the different things are available. Now you can see that there are the multiple options there. Like you have this, they have created like the PV module. You can see that they have just one. Anyone has created the PV module. Just click on that. Okay, download them directly. Yes. Now you can see that they have just created someone has a building there, and that one you can just delete all the things and use this PV modules. If you don't have this type of the scaling option, you just any one buildings from the warehouse, you can download the PV modules and stretch or scale. Scale. This one is the scale option. You can scale as per your actual dimensions there and used for your installation. So you have to make any 20 or 30 kilowatt system with the proper structuring, like the footing, the base plate, the legs, and the rafter and anything. It is your assignment. Uh, if anyone has not worked on your assignment, I will not allow you to sit in the next class. It because from 2 days I am giving you any all of you the assignments and you are not working on assignments. Without assignment, you don't get any information. You don't get the questions to ask me. So it is your responsibility to get the proper knowledge by proper working, proper practices. So I have just given you the overview of how you will make, and I will make in front of you everything, and I will give you the time for the questioning answering. And if you have any question right there, you will ask me. I will teach all of you, and I will tell you about any question you are asking about me. Now I'm just stopping the screen, and now I'm giving you uh, the the for question answer. Raise your hand and ask the questions. Hello. Hello. Yes, Vakar.
Sir, how to measure the front leg and the back leg distance? The distance between the front leg and the back leg, sir.
Basically, I'm just giving you uh, basically the distance between the back and the front leg. It is actually as per the wind calculation and the proper calculation of the structure vendors. But the uh, hit and trial basis. I'm just sharing again the screenshot screen and just telling you. Now I'm just giving you the hit and trial basis. Hit and trial basis. How around this one? If you check that length, like around 4.8 meter, you can see that it is around 4.8.
Screen
And
is
I
not shared,
just
sir.
give
Screen is not shared.
internet issue. But I'm just saying that the panel's length in the incline, it is around 4.8 meter. So that is why I just give them uh, like around 4.3 meter center to center the footing distance. So basically, there are multiple structures using in the market. Some are edge to edge the foundations, edge to edge, not in the middles. Some are giving the footing in the center of the when you basically when you increase the height, you have to give the center legs also, and edge to edge you have to give them basically the footings. But it is as per the structure vendors. That is why I just requested all of you to get any vendor informations regarding the structures. But this is basically I have just made as a hit and trial basis, not an actual one. But mostly which I have seen and I have made for the different clients, we will use at the end to end the footings, and end to end we will make them the distance between the front and back legs. Mostly it will be used end to end, or from the top edge to lower edge. We will make left the around uh, 150 to 200 mm from the top, and then give the leg, and from the bottom we will give the 100 or around 100 and 150 mm distance, and then we will place the legs there. So it is at the edge, or it is around 100 mm, 100 or 150 mm from the top edge, and from the lower edge. So we will make them as a leg. But if we increase the height of the structure from the front leg, we have to give them the middle legs must for the wind speed capability of the structures.
Right, sir.
But for the but
As you have
for the
practiced
ground
in
mounted,
this.
sorry, but for the roof mounted structures, basically the front leg height is around like hardly 1 feet, 1 feet, and they are from the top lower edge 100 and 150 mm behind. So that is why almost the PV module is touching to the or 2 to 3 inches above the footing of the this civil pad. So it is around touching to the civil pad. So that is why in the Pakistan, where we are installing like the roof mounted structures, they are almost touching to the footing pads. But in outside of the abroad countries, we are using the uh, ramping piles, not the civil pads. So here we give them the minimum height from the lower edge of the PV module to the ground is around 500 mm minimum height. So for the PR meetings or bifaciality issues and other than. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. As we practiced today, that we made the P2 structure, portrait to
Yes.
P2 structure.
Yes. Yes.
So
Yes. Yes.
as in reality, the length of the panel is around 90 mm. So we use 2P. So it's mean
90,
180 mm.
90,
90 mm.
90, 90 mm,
Yes, sir. What's the
brother.
parameter of a panel, like a 550 watts or 610 watt, 90 by
Around
45?
610. No,
Yes,
no,
sir.
no, brother. No, no, brother. You are on the too much lower side.
I mean
Basically,
7.5 feet and
brother,
3.45
they,
feet. Yes, sir.
you can see that. You can see that the 610-watt PV module I am which I have opened that, it is around 2384 mm length, and the 1303 mm the width, not the 90 by 40.
Sorry, sir. Actually, I am asking about the feet. So it is 7.5 feet length and 3.45 feet its width.
Yes, yes, this one is correct, but you are mentioning 90 mm length firstly. So
So
I'm just
so Okay, sir. So, in P2 structure, the front leg and the back leg, the distance will be around 14 to 15 feet. Is it correct, sir?
around, yes, around.
So, isn't we need the middle legs as well in this structure, or is it okay to the distance between front leg and back leg is 15 feet?
Rather, it is basically the structural vendor calculations, not as a head analysis. But mostly in Pakistan, they are just giving the front and back legs, not in the middles and the roof mount structures. Mr. Khuram are mostly Mr. Khuram, I think. They are using the and Mr. Yasser have joined yesterday class. Uh, they are basically installing the solar power plants, and mostly they are using front and back legs. not a middle one. Rather, basically 3 minutes left from the meetings, and they will automatically turn off the meetings. The time will be wasted because of the internet. And if you give the time to the Mr. Khurram, and if you have more questions, you can ask me in the group. Tomorrow I have the rest day, and I will answer all of your questions. No issue. But sorry for the due to some distortion from the internet, the meeting link will be expiring in just 3 minutes.
Thank you, sir. My question is this: how we calculate the tilt from resources?
Sorry, the tilt angle.
How? Yeah. From resources.
Sorry, from the
Any resources, any resource. If client can't provide us or how many resources, we can calculate the exact tilt angle.
basically, brother, that for the tilt angle, when we are doing in the third week, the PVsyst simulation, I will tell you, they have just give us the optimization analysis in the PVsyst. We just check from that option, and we will give them around 15 or 20 degree. Basically, it is around 15 to 20 degree. Mostly, that this tilt will be used because at that tilt angle, we get the like the not the maximum one, but nominal PR numbers, and we get the lower like the pitch area, because when we increase the tilt angles, we have to increase the pitch area, pitch of the structures, because they will create the shadow on the back PV module structure. So when we are doing the PVsyst software classes, I will tell you for the optimization of the tilt angle and the azimuth. Okay.
Okay, sir. I have seen many structures in a P2 category. They can used spot between of the structures like from front leg to middle and middle to last leg.
Yes, I am saying that most some of the vendor are using the middle legs, but some are not using the middle legs to save the cost. I just explained all of you in the yesterday class. In Pakistan, basically, it is the just the cost effect, just the costing.
Yeah.
Client will see the costing, no the not the quality one. If you give
It's a
the best
it's
quality to the structure,
it's a reality in Pakistan.
basically, yes, it is the reality. Now, brother, the meeting time is overing, and if you have more questions, you can ask me in the group. Mr. Flex, welcome you to the class, and if you have any question, you can ask me in the group. And Mr. Ismail, also for you, if you have any question, you can ask me in the group. Sorry, the meeting link will be overing, so we will meet again by tomorrow for the last class of the SketchUp. And it is your assignment. Kindly do the assignments properly, brother. I'm just giving you in the group for the assignment to prepare the 20 or 30 kilowatt SketchUp layout.
Sure, sir.
Okay. Bye. Bye. Allah
Bye,
Hafiz.
sir.
We will
Bye.
meet again. Bye. Bye.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Allah
We'll
Hafiz.
meet tomorrow.
Thank you.
We'll meet tomorrow the same